Hey, awesome morning changers. Today I would like to show you the next letter structure, that is letter C. And in this letter, we'll come to know about the socially activities, or how much you are interested in the social activities like parties, going with friends, enjoying outside your comfort zone, where you may be knowing some of the person, but mostly you are not aware of what kind of social environment you will be getting, what kind of gender you will be meeting there. So how do you feel being there in the social parties or get-togethers? Is it you are comfortable with being in the parties, or you are a party animal, or you are okay with people are ready to talk to you and you are able to converse with them? Check your letter C and compare this C with this C with this. Check in your handwriting, how is your C alphabet is coming, and every now and then is it coming, or frequently it is coming. See, we all are human beings. We are evolving each and every second or of our day. Every minute we are evolving. So it is natural to have some distortions in the letters while we progress, or when we have some working to improve. But sometimes it is okay, but every time it is coming, that means it is showing you something, you have to take care of it. So check your letter C, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.